I have here a Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. First thing is, after you turn your phone on, first screen is here. You can go ahead and choose your language right here. I'm going to go with English, United States. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Get Started right there. Now it says connect to your mobile network. You can go ahead and insert your SIM card now. You can also go ahead, if you have an eSIM, you can download the SIM instead. For me, I have a physical SIM card, but you don't have to put it in now. You can do it after setup. After the setup is complete, then I'm going to go ahead and make another video how you can insert the physical SIM card, okay? So from here, I'm going to go ahead and skip this for myself. Connect to Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to my home Wi-Fi network now, so I can get the latest software update and all that. Input my password. After you put in your Wi-Fi password, tap on Connect. It says obtaining IP address right there, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Now it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. Now if you want to go ahead, if you have an old Android phone or iPhone and you want to transfer your data, what you can do is tap on next right here. And then you can go ahead and use your old phone. It could be an Android phone or an iPhone, okay? But for me, what I'm going to do is I just want a clean slate. So for copy apps and data, I'm just going to click on don't copy for myself. Sign into your Google account, which is your Gmail. You can go ahead and do this now, or you can do it later. For me, I'm going to do mine later because I can't remember my password, so I'm going to tap on skip here and skip right there. Google services, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. This is all optional, okay? You can pick and choose which one you want here, okay? For me, I'm okay with having all of these toggled on. And then from here, scroll all the way down and then tap on accept. Additional legal terms, you can go ahead and read through that. You must accept to proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and say I accept right there. Select a four-digit PIN password. I would advise go ahead and set this up now. Don't skip it. So let's do a 4-digit. After you put it in once and you tap on next, it's going to ask you to re-enter your PIN again. I just re-entered. I'm going to tap on confirm right there. Set up a fingerprint unlock password. You can go ahead and set this up now, or you don't have to set it up, or you can go no thanks and you can set it up later. For me, I'm going to go ahead and set mine up now. Just scroll all the way down and then you'll see down here it says I agree. Tap on I agree right there and we'll set up a quick fingerprint password. From here, go ahead and tap on start and then use the finger that you want, and you want to touch up, down, and wait for the circle to go all the way around. Just keep on going, and then you want to kind of change your fingerprint. Just keep changing it. Move your finger all around there. Get the sides of your fingertip, so just kind of get the sides. Just about done. Okay, there we go. Now from here you can go ahead and add another fingerprint if you want, or you can go ahead and just click on next. You can always add another fingerprint if you want later on as well. Here's some review of additional apps. These will be downloaded via Wi-Fi. You can pick and choose what you want and what you don't want. I'm fine with having all of these on there, and I want to tap on OK. And here's a little tutorial here. You can go ahead and skip this, or you can go ahead and try it. We'll go ahead and try it. Swipe to go home. So basically what you want to do is swipe from the bottom, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. So to go home from the bottom, you just swipe up like that. Now wait for the next tutorial here. Okay, next one is swipe to go back. Okay, so you can swipe from the left to the middle like that. Okay, done. Next one is swipe to switch apps. So to switch apps, you start from the bottom here and you slide up like this and stop right there, hold it right there. Okay, and then you can see all your apps there. Okay, tap on done right there. And then from here you can swipe up to go home. And oops, swipe up, and voila, we are in business. Next thing I want to do is go ahead and for the next video, I'm going to go ahead and insert my physical SIM card. I'll put a link below for that if you want to know how to do that as well. All right, good luck guys.